Hey, happy Saturday. Jennifer and I, the general and I, we just got back from installation. It was a wonderful one. It was one of those where a proud father rented a sign for his daughter who is graduating from West Point, which is a big deal. And we did a congratulations, West Point class of 2020, Second Lieutenant Julia. And we said, go Army. And we sold them a coat of arms for the West Point, which was a great way to make more money. So, but that's not what this video is about. So I'm going to link the checks and balances video right there. Okay. I don't think I properly shared with you the checks and balances. So I want to do another video asking you to watch that. Because what I'm starting to realize is I was watching my competitive advantage video today as I was sitting in my office drinking Gatorade because I'm totally dehydrated and I smell like a mule. It just smell bad. And I got to take a shower. But I'm thinking about my competitive advantage is going to be changing all the time because my competition is going to know what I do and they're going to try to win business. They're going to try to be competitive. That's what competitors do. Okay. So in the process of understanding that, because my business has gone down by 40%, and we have 4 more competitors in the area. By the way, Christy, I don't think that you're a competitor. I think you're a great person. You're a member of our private sign fairy group, which, by the way, if you're not a member, you should join. Search on Google. I'll put it in the description below. Just answer the 3 questions. And if you like this video and what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button and like it. Okay? That'd be great if you could do that. All right. But what I'm realizing is that my competitive advantage of having great customer service and support will only get me so far. And because the sign business and the yard sign business is no different than any other business, there's been competitors that come in and you know what? They have flashy, better fonts than I do. And I said in the checks and balances video that my fonts are tired. Okay? I've probably posted at least 100 photos of kids celebrating in front of my signs. And many of them, if you go back and look, you can go see. It's not, this isn't something that I'm hiding. Many of them are very much the same. It's a happy birthday, it's a sign, and it's got their name, and we litter it with all kinds of themes. Cupcakes, birthday cakes, candles, presents, the whole 9 yards. You've seen it. It's nothing new. Okay? The reality is that that's tired. And when you have someone like Card My Yard or Sign Gypsies or even Christy, okay, she's got new fonts too that come in and they start posting pictures on Facebook about their signs that have different fonts and it's different, right? People want to have more current and more funky, flashy kind of things. And what I've not done is adapt to that. And it's hurting my business. So one of the other things that I've learned also too, just by being a member and the admin of my Facebook group, is that there are a lot of people who are members of my Facebook group who are private owners of their yard sign business. And I'm very proud of that. There are also people who are owners of a plotter or a Cricut machine, and they are actually making new letters each week to add to their inventory that's more flashy and that's more current. Some of them, believe it or not, are buying vinyl with flashy vector art themes on them, and they're laying them on Coroplast and they're putting them in the yard. And they're great. They're great. I'm going to call out LaDonna right now because she posted a video or a image, I think it was a video. She has pink letters with glitter on them. And they are the jam. And they are different. And they are flashy. And I'm jealous. Right? And she made them. And she worked hard on those. And you know what? I want that too. I do. I want that. So you know what? That's what I'm going to do. So this is about taking checks and balances, taking an honest look at where my business is compared to my competition. And if my business is down 40%, and if my fonts and if my themes are tired, you know what I need to do? I can do one of two things. And I said this in the other video. I can do nothing and be upset, or I can change. And you know what? Change is not a bad thing. The question is, are you going to embrace it? Because if you are, then you're going to be successful, in my opinion. Okay? If you're not, and you're going to be sad because what you once did isn't working anymore, then you're just silly. I might even say stupid. Okay? Because we need to constantly be reinventing ourselves. All right? All the time. Not only in our business, but in our personal life. Constantly be praising, constantly be analyzing, and constantly trying to change. Right? That's growth. Standing still, you don't do anything unless you're a plant. And a plant's got to wait to get sunlight, and a plant's got to wait to get rain. It can't go out and actually get it. Imagine what a plant would do if it could actually go out and get water on its own. The size of Mount Rushmore. Completely random comment. I don't know why I said it. I think it's a great analogy. But I wanted to point out one other component here too. And I probably bring it a little late to the party here. But in the process of actually doing your business, one of the things that I've done, and I've not talked about it at all, okay, is when I have people sign up and I send them an invoice via Square, I'll have the affiliate link also below in the description, that if you want to sign up for Square, it's not going to cost you anything, but I'll get a credit of $1,000 if you sign up and you start using it, which would be very helpful to me. But I want to be full disclosure, is that you need to make sure that if you're gathering personal information from your customer, that you ask for permission to email them or text them. Okay? If they give you permission, you are allowed to reach out to them. Makes sense, right? If they don't give you permission, I'm strongly recommending that you don't. Okay? Because if you get something that you've asked not to be marketed to, you're going to be mad. Because I have an email just like you for all of my spam. And that's exactly what it is. You'd be spamming somebody. But here's the other point that I want to mention, is that if you are going to be gathering their personal information, and if you're going to be asking permission, if you can actually reach out to them and they say yes, what do you have? You have a list of buyers who've rented or purchased signs from you in your database that you could reach out to. And why would you reach out to them? You're going to reach out to them to tell them what you're going to be doing that's different. All right? I am going to be making new letters. I'm going to be making the same KG, the last time font letters that everybody else has. And I'm probably going to be making other ones. I'm going to be making new themes, and I'm going to be updating my entire inventory to be current and up to date. Okay? Because I'm lacking in that department. All right? And what I'm going to do is, when I get that done, I'm going to take pictures of it. I'm going to do a display in my yard, and I'm going to email it to all 200 people that have agreed to receive email from me about my business or any discounts. And I might even include like a discount code. And if you're using Square, they will offer one to you, and it can be exclusively for people who've rented from you before. All right. So this is really about leveraging what you already have, or redoing it in a way to assist you in continually showing your customers that you are different and that you care about them, that they matter to you. All right? Because this week, I'll be honest with you, Jennifer and I, we have no sign rentals, and I am terrified. I hate it. I don't like it at all. It makes me mad. And I got to fix it. And I'm not going to sit under my desk and suck my thumb and cry and say, why am I not getting any more business? I'm just not going to do it. Because I could, and that will get me nowhere. And I'll be sad. And you'll call me stupid. And I'd probably go out of business and be bankrupt. That's bad. I'm projecting there a little bit, but you understand what I'm trying to say. So my point is that leverage your current client base. Ask permission, if you haven't yet, by sending them an email saying, I know I haven't gotten your permission yet to reach out to you. Do I have your permission now to reach out to you? And if I don't, I will not reach out to you again. Okay? Square, which is the database that I use, will allow you to warehouse all of that information. Okay? And if you capture it, putting it into a place where you can monetize it is not a bad thing. Okay? So this is about business appraisal, what I'm doing that's not working anymore and what I need to change. Understanding what my competition is doing because they're taking 40% of my business. Adapting, overcoming, and outreach. Okay? Letting people know. Because what I do know to be true is that my customers love our service. All right? I got a lot of great reviews and people know that I care. And you want to remind them about that. So this video is really more about realizing that what my checks and balances video is about, acknowledging that I'm in a deficient spot with my revenue being down, making a change, admitting the change, implementing the change, and outreaching. All right? People like different. People want to support local business owners. Be different. All right? Be creative and be honest. And ask for the work. Ask for the business. Because if you ask for it, they'll give it to you. Just like I'm supposed to ask you to subscribe to my channel. If I don't ask you to subscribe, you're not going to do it. And I always felt bad asking, like I was imposing on you. But the reality is if I don't ask for the order, you're not going to give it to me. So ask for it. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like this content and you agree with it, you know what? Please like it. All right. If you want to learn more about making signs, and if you want to learn more about how this business works and how you can be different and how you can adapt and overcome, become a member of our private Facebook group. It's Sign Fairies. Make plastic leathers and yard decorations. Come and join. I'm inviting you. Okay. And if you like this type of content, this business specific content, okay, I have a Patreon account that you can come join, and for $19.99 a month, you can get access to all these different videos that I'm doing that are more business related. Okay, that's it. I want to make this quick. 12 minutes. We're good to go. Happy birthday. Happy Hanukkah. All right. I hope this helps because saying it out loud has helped me to realize that I gotta get off this video and I gotta go do some work. Okay, and it's the type of work that I'll be honest with you, I really truly love. And it's because of you that I've realized that. And I want you to know, again, and I say it all the time, and I probably say it too much, but I want you to know, in case you don't know, I'm grateful for you. And thank you for teaching me so much with really not saying all that much. You've just shown me by what you've done, by subscribing, and by being an active watcher of my madness. Okay? So if nobody told you today that I love you, that they love you, just know that I do, and I'm grateful for you. And it does matter. And remember, hashtag, be open to it. Make it happen.